What was that? Who ringing my doorbell right now? Let's see. Looks like we have a package. What could this be? I think I know exactly what we got here. So let's open this thing up. Open this in here. We got a little paper. Seems like just a shipping thing. Right here, we got a One Car Stereo A box. So my friends over at One Car Stereo decided they want to send out one of their new products to me and have me show you guys how sick this thing is. Look how nice the packaging comes too. Nice and sealed, nice little box. It's pretty nice. All right, so we outside now. So I'm about to open up this One Car Stereo box. See what comes inside of it. It's hard doing this with one hand. There we go. All right. So first, we got a little instruction manual on how to use this thing. Comes in all these different languages. That's pretty cool. And then right here, we have the actual AI box itself. When we take it out, this is what it looks like. You guys are probably wondering, like, what in the world is this thing? What does it do? Well, I'm about to show you guys why every single person who owns a car needs to buy this thing. Also have the little cables right here. Everything you need right inside this box. This is my favorite part about doing any kind of unboxing. Peel this off. It's hard to do this with one hand, but wow, just look at that. All right, I'm gonna finish doing the rest off camera. So here it is, all unwrapped and everything. This thing's pretty light and it's pretty good quality too. So it's not a hassle to carry around or anything. This thing's pretty light. All right, so how about we jump in the car and I'll show you guys how exactly this thing works. All right, guys, so I'm about to show you exactly what this is. So this right here is a One Car Stereo A-Box from One Car Stereo. And what they do is they offer this for CarPlay for Android and Apple. So what you do is you just take this little cord that they give you, plug it into the box, plug it into the CarPlay, and then boom. So this is different from a regular Apple CarPlay. With this CarPlay, you get Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus. You get all these streaming services for, if you ever have a passenger or you're driving, you want to listen to a music video off YouTube, or if you're on a long road trip and you want to take a break at the rest stop, throw in some Netflix, throw in some YouTube. This is what you need for that. And I'm telling you guys, this is sick. So all you gotta do is plug this in, plug it in there, go to your Bluetooth on your phone that you want to connect it to the Bluetooth, and boom, you are all good to go. Connect it to the CarPlay. You got right here, you got Netflix. Go over here, YouTube, Spotify, and then they do have like an app store on here where you can download Disney Plus and everything like that. So let's just show you guys. So let's go to YouTube. Connected. Just let it load. And boom, now we're into YouTube. All right. So we can watch any of these videos. So I'm gonna pull up a video and show you guys what it looks like. And just like that, we are on our channel on YouTube. Look at that. Click the videos. And this button right here, that's just to get back to the home screen. When you watch a video, that will disappear. But for right now, see, it's gone. Just scroll through all of my videos right here. And we are on YouTube. Look how cool that is. Boom. What's going on, YouTube? We back here with another video. Just like that. You guys really turn this down for you guys. We were watching my YouTube video. Like, this thing is so sick. You can do this with Netflix. You could do this with whatever you want. It's pretty simple. And just to show you guys that you can get Netflix on this, so what you do is go here, click that home button. Click the home button, brings you back to the home screen. Go over to wherever Netflix is. So to find Netflix, you have to go to apps. There's Disney Plus right there. There's the Play Store for any application you guys want to download. So we'll go over. There's YouTube and Netflix. Click Netflix. I should be already signed in because I already signed into it. And boom, like that. And just like that, we're in Netflix. You can watch any TV show, any movie, anything you want. And if you guys have a car that you do not have CarPlay with yet, it is so simple. Go to Walmart, go buy a CarPlay thing off Amazon, whatever. Install Apple CarPlay or Android CarPlay, whatever you want into your car. Buy this from AI Box from One Car Stereo, and boom, you got Netflix, you got YouTube, you got Disney Plus. You could be watching whatever you want on a road trip. Your passenger can watch it. Anything you guys want, the AI Box can do for you. But yeah, guys, it is that simple to use. Just as you've seen it, I was on Netflix, YouTube. I could get in Disney Plus if I wanted to. I'm definitely going to be using this thing next time I go on a road trip, or anytime I just want to watch something on here. Obviously not when you're driving. Do not watch anything while you're driving. But if you ever just want to pull over, watch something, you have the option here. I'm going to put the link in my description to the AI Box from One Car Stereo, and you guys can click that link. It'll bring you right to the Amazon page, and then you can buy the product just like this. And I'm telling you guys, it is worth it. Once again, another huge shout out to One Car Stereo. Thank you guys for sending out this amazing product to me. I'm only going to be reviewing products on this channel that I truthfully think is a good product and that I would use in my life, and I would use this. So once again, link in description. Thank you guys for sending out your product, and definitely go buy one. This thing is very user friendly, man. All you gotta do, it's like regular CarPlay, just slide. You got Play Store, Google, Gmail. You got Apple Music, Disney Plus, Spotify, Bluetooth, like make phone calls. You can do anything you want with this CarPlay. It's just regular CarPlay, but so much better. It's got all different features, as you guys can see. And you have this box right here if you don't want it in there. Just throw it right there, sit down, and you don't even see it, basically. So your passengers can be watching Netflix or YouTube while you're driving on a road trip, which is amazing. And the instruction manual is really simple too. It just says plug it in, connect your Bluetooth, telling you all the little ports for it, and yeah, just what to connect on Bluetooth and whatnot. And it is so simple to use. Probably the easiest setup I've ever had on getting a product and trying it out. But yeah, guys, Apple, Android, it doesn't matter what you have. You can buy this thing, link in the description once again, and you can definitely run this, and it's very simple to use. So I definitely think you guys should give this a try. I already know this thing is going to be a game changer for road trips, and I just can't wait to use this thing. What do you rate the AI Box 1 out of 10? I agree. All right, so now I'm going to hit the road, and we're going to do a little cold start for you guys, and then I'm going to play something on the screen as if I had a passenger that was watching something. So I'm going to play a YouTube video while I'm driving, just so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, here's a little cold start for you guys. Alright guys, so we in the GT now. I got one of my old videos playing right now, and we just gonna drive, and then you guys can see how the YouTube video is just gonna keep on playing. Like, act like I have a passenger in the passenger seat right now, and they're the ones watching the video. So you're not supposed to be watching while you're driving, so I'm not gonna be paying attention to the video. I'm just gonna drive. Turn it up. But I was saying, I was screaming on top of my lungs, and I couldn't even hear myself. This camera does not do it justice with these kind of cars. If you wanted to fast forward the video, just click the screen, move it over, and boom. I got an ad. This is how I get paid, by the way. Just watching ads. I'm not gonna make you guys watch it though. That is so cool how you just watch YouTube on here, or the passenger could be watching YouTube. I would play like a music video, but I don't want to get copyrighted or demonetized on this channel, so not today. point of view drive video of watching a point of view drive video. Look at that. I can't wait until I have a road trip where I could actually put this to use and I'm not on the driver's side, I'm the one in the passenger seat, because most cars nowadays have CarPlay, so just plug it in and I can watch Netflix just like that. But that is so cool. If you have a daughter or a son or even mom or dad who goes on road trips or whatever, has a car, literally you could buy this for their birthday, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas, any holiday. You could buy this. Is a great gift. So if you guys are looking for a gift to give, this would be a great gift. Once again, guys, the link is going to be in the description below. Click that link, sent right to the Amazon page where you can buy it and proceed to checkout. But yeah, that's going to do it for today's video. If any other companies watching and want me to review a product of yours, email in bio, or email, in the bio. So click that and then send me an email. That's going to do it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Even in the rain, you gotta keep your head up. I let her tell it, she said she fed up. I'm like whatever, when she mad the sex better. I put the diamond on your face, Rockefeller.